2015 Chevy Suburban, about to drop the fuel tank. They got the fuel pressure line messed up, but so it could be nice and easy. If you're on the floor, you want to take out the canisters, 213s, right? After you do that, you want to unscrew it from here, unplug that line right there, unplug this line, right? And as you get to the front, you motherfucker long. And then as you get to the front, you want to unplug this line. This one's gonna spit a little bit of gas, and that one a little bit too. And the line that is messed up is this one. Alright, so you unplug it from there. All you do is you squeeze them, and then you push them back, and they'll come out. Yeah, this the line right here. You can even see that line is wet down there. Man, whatever y'all do, don't smoke around the truck. Cause then y'all gonna poof poof. Yeah, what I said. And then these right here, they 15s. They 15. That's for these. And they're both different. One is wider than the other one. I got the jack with a 2x4. Hope it works. Yeah, but that's all you need. Unplug it from there, drop the canister, and you won't even have no problem. The rest will be a piece of cake. You don't gotta take the dry shaft off.